Now that we know how LLMs can accidentally leak private data, let's talk about how to stop it. Because the problem is not about using AI in your environments, it is using it without the right protections. There are 5 key defenses every organization should use. Number 1, you must sanitize your data. Before you train a model, remove anything sensitive like names, passwords, health information, or secret code. If those things make it into the training data, the model might accidentally repeat them later. That's why data cleaning is so important. There are tools that can help find and remove private information automatically. Number 2, set privacy filters. Once your model is live, you need to control what it is allowed to say. Put up the guardrails, the rules that block it from sharing private data, even if someone tries a trick like ignore all prior instructions. And number 3, watch what it says. You wouldn't let a customer service center run without checking in. The same applies to AI. Monitor the model's answers. If it starts sharing names, account numbers, or internal tech details or any other sensitive information, it could be leaking something it should not. Use audit logs and alerts to stay on top of this. Then number 4, limit what it can remember. Some AI applications let the model remember things or pull data from other systems. Be careful with that. Memory should be short-term and focused only on the current task. Only give the model access to what it really needs, nothing more. Number 5, use smart tools like DLP and firewalls. Industries like finance, which are mature enough and already have strong DLP programs or data loss prevention programs, other industries are still catching up but need to move fast. Just a quick note, I am not promoting any of these tools I'm going to be mentioning about. These are just examples of what's being built to help. Tools like HiddenLayer and Saira, which just partnered recently, are designed to catch sensitive data leaks in real time, both what goes into the model and what comes out. And then there are also LLM firewalls like Litera Guard that sits between the user and the model. They scan prompts to block things like jailbreak attempts, prompt injection, as well as tricks to extract private data. And then last but not the least, do not forget about governance. Technology is not enough. You need good rules too. Make sure that your terms of use clearly explain what data you are collecting, how you are storing it and using it, and whether it's used to improve your AI or not. And give user choices, like letting them opt out of the data collection or delete their history. That builds trust and helps follow laws like GDPR. At the end of the day, remember that you are not just securing the model, you are securing everything around it, from the training data to the last prompt the user sends. Every step is a chance for something to leak. But with the right filters, firewalls, tools, and policies, you can build LLM systems that are not just smart, but they are safe as well.